Since 160 years ago, the Politecnico di Torino has been educating engineers, architects, designers and urban planners according to international quality standards and a rigorous approach. These professionals have been playing an important role in the growing of our city, of our country, of our industry. In recent years, deep societal changes have been occurring in developed countries like Italy as a consequence of globalization and the advent of new emerging technologies. For instance, digital transition, climate change, the birth rate decreasing, the stagnation of industrial production. Universities must change in order to keep on providing an impact on an ever-changing society. This is the key goal of the new strategic plan of the Politecnico di Torino, Polito for Impact. Universities must change from factories of high-standard professionals, but a bit too rigid to cooperate with each other and with other professionals from different disciplines, into platform universities, open to the contribution of people working in the real world, of managers from industries, taking an active part in technology transfer and innovation, and being engines of development of our society. We will move from 34,000 to 40,000 students in order to try to cope with the gap between graduated people in Italy and in the rest of Europe. In this perspective, we are going also to launch a new course of studies in manufacturing engineering in tight cooperation with industrial association to prepare graduates for the small to medium enterprises sector. Today's world requires more flexibility, more critical sense, more capability of cooperating with each other to carry on new projects. For this reason, we are going to put students at the center of their learning process by allowing more educational laboratories, soft skills in their preparation, and also social and human sciences to understand better the world in which they are going to act. We will favor disciplinary and fundamental research in order to let our professors and researchers grow from a cultural and a scientific point of view, and maybe to get to new radical discoveries. But we are going also to spur innovation through interdisciplinary research by fully activating our interdisciplinary research centers. We will favor cooperation among researchers, groups, departments, or even centers in order to get to a critical mass. We are also going to foster our PhD school by increasing by 50% the number of PhD students in the Politecnico di Torino. We will instill in our master and PhD students, as well as in our professors and researchers, the passion for innovation by using proper tools and funds. New technology transfer platforms will be created by bringing, at close distance, education, research, innovation, and services for finance and valorization of property rights, so as to attract hubs of large enterprises, as well as small to medium enterprises and startups, and let our graduated people stay in our territory. Our ultimate goal is to attract large investors in areas like Industry 4.0, energy, digital transition, smart mobility, space economy, circular economy. We will enroll new personnel with new competences to provide better education and research. Our faculties will grow up to more than 1,000 units from the current 850. We will give career and growth opportunities to anyone working with us, and especially our technical and administrative staff. Our campus will be characterized by a high quality of life, new flourishing cultural events, recreation and sports activities, sustainability, and a new built environment to let people studying and working at Politecnico give their best with motivation and sense of belonging.